Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can log in into your Genius account. So it is going to be a simple and easy step-by-step tutorial video, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video, shall we? So first of all, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Genius application, and in order for you to go ahead and log in, you want to tap on the top left triple lines icon right over here. And as you can see, there is going to be a button below identify music right over here which says sign up / sign in. So you want to go ahead and tap on that button, and in order for you to go ahead and sign in, you want to tap on this I already have an account right over here. And once you have done that, it will ask you for your username, so go ahead and enter your username on top and your password on the bottom. And finally, once you have done that, you can simply go ahead and tap on sign in. And once you have done that, congratulations, you have successfully logged in or signed in into your Genius account. So if you thought this video was informational or it helped you out, let me know by commenting down below. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.